Hello, America. This is Keith coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to go over why doesn't my GE make ice anymore? Well, a couple possibilities. First, we're going to go with the French door. Okay, this is very popular right now, and you all know that the ice maker is in the door. Okay, now there's a couple things that could possibly do it. One, this seal could be bad and you're leaking warm air in. Okay. Two, your ice maker might not be on. Little Junior might have said, "Let's have fun with mom and dad, turn the ice maker off and not let them know about that." Okay, that's something between you and your kids. I don't want to get involved in that one. Third is, this area has to be below 10 degrees. Most all of your ice makers these days will not make ice if your freezer temperature is above 10 degrees. Okay, that sounds very weird, but it's actually true. So if I'm at 11 degrees in here, I'm done making ice. My ice isn't going to melt, but it's also not going to make any more ice. Okay. Secondly, or another thing, is this moving or is this stuck? If this gets stuck back here, this will shut off your ice maker. Okay. Some of you have seen the ones that actually have the flapper that comes up and down. If that's in the up position, it's not going to make ice either. A few things that you check to see if you're actually making ice. Now, if it's the actual ice maker, unless you are really good at putting and taking things apart, I would recommend calling someone out to have them do this, because this is actually not the easiest thing in the world to take apart. It can be done, and there are videos on how to do it, but for the most part, pay someone to come do it. That way, if they screw it up, you get a new one, okay? But a few things to look at, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.